As you all know, this is not going to be a session which I keep talking for hours. So I always encourage people to talk. I always encourage people to ask questions, especially in this system, logical trading system, because this is the one thing which I know. I don't know anything more than that. I'm a very small, simple trader. If you have any questions regarding this particular system, I'll be happy to assist you. I think I have given access to everyone to your mic. Yeah, let's see how things will go. So taking the position or entering into the trade is actually 20% of your trading thing. The remaining thing is, if the price moves in your favor, you have to sit patiently for a very long time to maximize that profit, right? See, anyone can enter at any place. Entering into the trading is actually very easiest part, but holding it for a very long time till the target, it is actually most difficult one. But to maximize the profit, we have to do it. You have to do it. You have to sit quietly for a very long time. You have to sit patiently for a very long time. No alternate. See, because of I entered along at a day low, I cannot do anything at this point other than managing the position. How we can manage the position? First thing, we need to book some profit. The realized profit is actually profit. The whatever you are seeing as an unrealized profit is like something in the air. It will vanish in a second. So anything may happen, right? So because of it is a BOF setup, that doesn't mean it's compulsory it should go to the next target, right? Maybe some uncertainty may happen. The fall, the next few minutes, the fall might happen. Less likely, but it may happen, right? This market is full of uncertainty. So how we can prepare for that? Only by managing the trade. How we can manage? Realized some profit at our predefined target level, and the remaining position keep your SL at cost and expect your position, your price will go there. Expect it will go here. We cannot do anything, right? We cannot push the price single point up or down. We are just nobody in this market. You're like tiny ants. We cannot do anything. So only we can manage the position. And believe me guys, you don't need anything. You don't need any indicator. You don't need any patterns. Let others will trade the patterns. Let others will trade the indicators. Like now the majority of the people, majority of the traders, the retail traders, the traditional retail traders will think about a go long or a go short now by using lagging indicators, leading indicators, whatever it is. So imagine what will be the emotion of the guys, the people who are trading with the indicators. I know most of the trend following indicators will show the signal from now because it was a huge gap down till yesterday. The all indicators closed here or somewhere at this point, and it was a gap down. So the indicator has to calculate the previous day high indication on top of your chart, right? This is what it would actually do. But before the indicators started calculating it, all the things, the most of the traders already happened. Again, it is not a very big movement, right? It's from 710 to 780, just 70 points. But still, considering the risk to reward, we can expect it to go up. Professor, 1025 candle, where is it? 1025, 1025, 1015, 1010, 1010, 10. Oh, this is 1025. How you can consider this as a BYF? This is not at our trading zone. This is neither at our previous day high, previous day low, day high, day low, or maybe you can consider this a day low. See, day high. See, one more important thing. You should not look for BYF at every day high and every day low, right? Because there could be a reason for the BYF setup, why we are taking a long or a short. See, consider we are taking taken a long here, right? Why? Because this was a visible reversal point, right? The price came down yesterday and moved up. This zone, not particular price range, this actual zone will visible for higher time frame traders who doing trading with 30 minutes, 1 hour, more than 30-minute time frames. Trader, they can easily able to identify the zone. So once the sellers got trapped, the sellers cannot push the price down, so they got trapped. So this zone is already visible for 30-minute players. Can we look at here? This is a Monday. Look at this. The price came down and reversed. Visible reversal point. Do you remember? While I explained how to identify higher time frames trading zone, I have explained this concept. Because we don't have any mathematical formula for finding our support and resistance, the so-called support and resistance, we don't use anything, right? What we are using? We are using only visible turning points. This is visible turning point. Price came down and reversed, right? Already marked. Price came down and reversed in a 30 minutes. So this zone will invite other time frame traders to come and take their decision. That could be a sell, that could be a buy, that's a different thing. First, this zone will attract more people. So this is high probable zone. Now, coming to your question, 1025. Let me delete this one. 1025. This is your 1025, right? This is your 1025. So you are saying can you look for a BYF? I believe the BYF for a short. That is what your expectation is. But if you are going for a short, considering this a day high, the price is falling down, who will come and short after your position? Who will come and sell after your short position? Nobody. Right? Where is the visible turning points? Do you think there is a visible turning point? No. You have to find visible turning point in the past, and you have to come back to your current day, and you have to wait for other traders to come and take their decision, and based on that you have to trade. And one such setup is a BYF. And I haven't explained other setups here, so I'm not touching that. So this is not a BYF. Now, you may ask, now if the BYF formed at this point, is this a BYF? Right? You can ask this question. But do you think this is, maybe it will happen, but do you think this is high probable or low probable? This is actually low probable, because your visible reversal is, it's very small visible reversal that happened in a 5 minutes. Price came up and reversed, right? And again it's trying to move up. If it get rejected at this point, do you consider BOF or not? Yes, this is a BOF, but it has to take above this and trade at least few points above from your day high, and it has to fall down. If this red candle falls down, I don't consider as a BOF. And moreover, even the price goes up and reversed, this actually looks like a BOF, but it is not high probable BOF. Why? The reason is, look at this point. Because of this, sellers came in and pushed the price down, it formed a visible reversal point. And look at the strength of the visible turning points. Do you think it's high probable? Do you think the sellers are stronger here? No, but you can compare this one. The price came down and reversed. Look at the strength of the sellers. It was huge, am I right? So this was high probable, and this one is not. And I don't look for a BOF here, first of all. Even if the BOF formed, I don't take a BOF here. But it will not form. The reason is, they got trapped already. The sellers got trapped. So more likely it will go up to the target 2. So your job is, once you take an entry at your day low, your job is to sit patiently for very long time. Very, very long time. Because the reason is, the trend is down on a short term. Okay. See, I'm not coming and complaining about, or I'm not against any of your trend analysis part, but for me, through my logical trading system, current movement, even now, the trend is down, but price is going up. So what does it mean? I don't expect very, very big momentum to come into the picture, but I'll expect the price to go up. But at the same time, if this BOF happened above this area, 15,927, that is my next zone. Look at this. If this BOF or something happened, if the price is moving up in this area, I'll be more happy, because this is a 500 point zone. So I'll expect the price to move up with a greater momentum. Not just price movement. It is also about where the price is actually moving. Which area? Because this location, this area is more important. That actually invite other traders, other time frame traders to trade. See, we as an intraday traders, we doing some random, or we do some intraday trades in a 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes and all. And do you think the other time frame traders who trades for a swing and a positional for the investing or whatever thing, so do you think these people are doing in a 3 minute and 5 minute? No, right? See, market is a combination of everyone. You, me, 30-minute trader, 1 hour trader, 2 hour trader, 4 hour trader, everyone, right? So everyone, more people come and trade at the same location, at the same zone, the movement will be high. The momentum will be high. Either upside or downside, that doesn't matter. That is different. Only intraday players cannot push the price up or down with a huge momentum. They can able to push or pull, for a few points. Okay, now one more scenario. What if BOF form now? Which means, what if the reversal happened now? Do I go and take a shot? No, I don't take a shot. I think I explained the logic now. See, do not follow the rules blindly. The rules are defined to satisfy some logics. Take anything. The logic is more important. Take our constitutions. Take our law thing. See, the law. See, if you go to court, the law is important, but the intention of the lawmaker is more important than law. So the intention is important. How the intention came? Intention came from the logic. So I recommend or I suggest everyone, do not follow the rules blindly. Ask why. Ask why. Ask why. Ask questions. Get your answer. If you are satisfied with the answer, go trade. If you are not satisfied, if you are not convinced, don't do that. That means you are believing some myth. So don't risk your money by believing some myth. Alright, so I think I'm done and I need to go. I have another few commitments. So I think it was a good session. Hopefully I'll try to do every day. Alright, thank you so much, dears. See you next time.